Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw Max from a Goofy movie. Start by drawing a circle as a guide for the head. An easy way to draw a circle is to first sketch a couple of guidelines. Draw a vertical line to determine the height of the circle. Make a small mark halfway on the vertical line. Make the mark longer to create a horizontal line. You're basically drawing a big plus sign. At the top of the vertical line, make a small mark to indicate the top edge of the circle. Make another small mark at the bottom to indicate the bottom edge. Make a couple more small marks on the tips of the horizontal line to indicate the sides of the circle. Try to make the marks about the same distance from the middle of the plus sign. Connect the small marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the circle. Sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. Also, pause the video as you follow along to draw at your own pace. Make a small mark near the bottom of the vertical line. Make the mark longer to create a curved horizontal line. This is a construction guide that will help you place the facial features later. On the left half of the circle, draw a curved vertical line for another construction guide. This line should split the left side of the circle in half. Extend the vertical line farther down so that it's below the head. At the bottom, make a small mark to indicate the bottom edge of the lower jaw. The distance between this small mark and the bottom edge of the circle should be about half the length of the circle. Connect the small mark to the circle using curved lines to finish the guide for the lower jaw. The top of the shape should be wide and the bottom narrow. On the left side of the head, draw a small circle as a guide for the top jaw. Draw this circle by sketching out a plus sign too. Draw the lines for this plus sign along the edges of the first circle. Pay attention to the size of this plus sign in relation to the head. Make a few small marks on the tips of the lines to indicate the sides of the circle. Connect the small marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the circle. This circle should be about a quarter of the size of the first circle. Connect the bottom edges of the circles using a long curved line to finish the guide for the top jaw. Pay attention to where this line starts and ends. Below the head, draw two short lines as guides for the neck. And that's it for the guidelines. Now let's start on the final drawing. Inside the head, draw a long oval for the first eye. Make a few small marks first to indicate the sides of the oval. Use the initial lines as guides to help you position the marks for the eye. Connect the marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the oval. Make the top of the eye a bit pointy. To the left, draw another oval for the other eye. Draw a couple of marks to indicate the sides of the oval first. This eye should be a bit smaller because the head is turned. Inside the eyes, draw small ovals for the pupils. Pay attention to the placement of the pupils inside the eyes. Shade in the pupils. Draw curved lines above the eyes for the eyebrows. Make the eyebrows thick and dark. Make the eyebrow on the left smaller because the head is turned. Draw an oval on top of the muzzle for the nose. Make a small mark above the muzzle to indicate the top edge of the nose. Extend the mark downward to create an arc. Draw the bottom edge of the nose along the path of the small plus sign. The oval for the nose should be slightly tilted. To the right of the nose, draw a couple of curved lines for the top edge of the top jaw. It's okay to overlap the bottom edges of the eyes as you draw these lines. Darken the lower edges of the guides below the nose to create the bottom edge of the top jaw. Extend the line farther to the right for the mouth. Draw a short line on the right side for a smile line. Draw a couple of small square-like shapes along the bottom edge of the top jaw for the teeth. Pay attention to the placement of the teeth. Don't draw the teeth too big. Draw a long curved line below the top jaw for the open mouth. Draw this line within the guide at the bottom. Draw a shorter curved line at the bottom for the lower lip. Inside the mouth, draw two short curved lines for the tongue. On the right side of the head, draw a curved line for the cheek. Draw the cheek around the smile line. Darken the guide at the bottom to finish the lower jaw. Above the eyes, draw a small V-shaped line for the hairline. Make the line on the right side longer and curve it down. Follow the curvature of the eye as you draw this line. On the top left side of the head, draw a couple of curved lines for the first part of the hair. Draw angled lines to create the pointy tips of the clumps of hair. Draw a longer curved line higher up for a bigger clump of hair. Don't draw every individual hair strand, just draw big clumps of hair using long curved lines. Draw the top part of the hair high above the first circle. Draw angled lines at the top for spikes on the hair. On the right side, curve the hair down toward the head circle. Make the right side of the head flatter than the initial circle. Below the cheek, draw a long thin shape for the first ear. The ear is made up of two long vertical lines that connect at the bottom. Draw the bottom edge of the ear farther down than the neck. Draw a shorter thin shape under the jaw for the visible section of the other ear. Make the bottom of the ear curved. Darken the lines under the jaw to create the neck. Draw a long curved line under the neck for the collar on the hoodie. Extend this line farther to the right, but don't overlap the ear. Draw a long curved line to the right of the ear to finish the visible section of the hoodie. Make the final lines darker than the guides. And that's it for Max. Now go over the final lines with permanent ink, erase the guides, and color your drawing. The next few steps are sped up so that the video isn't too long, but make sure that you go over your final lines slowly and carefully to avoid any accidents. For more tutorials like this one, please visit EasyDrawingTutorials.com. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see me draw. Don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.